Hey guys, this is Bilal Heather and this is the fourth part of the video series. And the video time to make some more videos for you guys. Okay, so this is actually the fourth part, and in this video I'm going to tell you something more about what we trade in this forex market. Okay, in the past few videos which you have watched, and I was giving you an example of currencies. Okay, so the currencies are the one thing among other things that we trade in this forex market. And some people will say, okay Bilal, are we only limited to currencies in this forex market that we can trade? And the answer is no. You can trade metals as well in this forex market. Okay, you can trade gold, you can trade silver, and even you can trade oil, and you can trade indices, and you can trade CFDs in this forex market. Okay, trading currencies and trading metals are the same. Okay, I won't be going to tell you about how we trade gold, but actually my focus will be on currencies. But when you will learn how to trade currencies, trading gold and currencies are the same. Okay, you don't need to gain extra skills for that. If you will learn trading currencies, trading gold is the same. Okay, the next point I have written in here, that is currencies and other things, they are all traded in pairs. Okay, as I have given you an example of euro US dollar, and I will be giving it again in the next slide. But let me tell you that as I told you that this forex thing is exchanging two things, so everything will come in pair. Okay, you have to sell one thing in order to buy something, and if you're about to buy something, you need to sell something. Okay, so it's two-way thing. And then in this video part, I am also going to tell you what is a base and quote currencies, and what is buying and selling prices. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so what is a base currency and what is a quote currency, or let me call it, what is a base security and what is a quote security. In this example, which you can see on your screens, I have given euro US dollar. I have taken this pair, and you can see that there are two prices written in front of them. I will tell you about them in the next slide, but in this slide I am going to tell you what is base and quote currencies. Okay, so the currency symbol, which is written on the left hand side, euro in our case, is the base currency, and that means the 1 unit of base currency will be equal to some units or some price of the quote currency. So in this example, we have euro is our base currency and US dollar is our quote currency. Okay, so 1 euro equals 1.34290 US dollars. Okay, so the price written here is actually in US dollars. Okay, so the quotation, that quote which is written in here, is actually in the quote currency. Okay, I hope you are getting what I'm saying. Okay, now you will be thinking, okay Bilal, there must be only one rate when we need to exchange something. Okay, you will be thinking that there should be only one rate, like €1 equals 1.34290 US dollars. Okay, that's fine. But what is this another rate written here? What that actually means? Why there are two different rates in front of one currency pair? Why is that? So that I'm going to tell you in the next slide, which is the bid and ask values. Okay, as you can see here that let me tell you what is a bid value. The bid value actually let me give you a simple example first. Okay, let's say you have got some euros and you wanted to sell them in order to buy some US dollars, and you go to exchange company and you give them your euros and you say, okay, I want to exchange them with US dollars, so what is the exchange rate for this? And they will tell you a different rate when you are selling them. When you are actually giving your euros to them, they will tell you a different exchange rate, and when you will be going to purchase some euros from them in exchange with your US dollars, they will give you a different rate. And the difference between these two rates is not very huge. And why is there this difference? Because exchange companies are not sitting there for charity for you. Okay, they need to they are actually making profits from these differences. Okay, so when you sell them a currency pair, they will purchase that with a higher rate. Okay, and that means you will get some less money from that. And when you're actually buying from them, let me say what I'm talking about. I'm completely lost. Please let me pause this video and let me come back. Okay guys, I was actually talking about bid and ask values. So I was giving you an example of when you go to some exchange company and you wanted to purchase some US dollars from them, and you have got some euros. If you're wanting to purchase US dollars from the company, they will give you those US dollars at a higher rate. Okay, and when you will be wanting to actually sell your US dollars to the company, then they will purchase you those US dollars at a cheaper rate. Okay, so the difference between these two values is because they are charging some exchange fees, or they are taking some profit out of that exchange. Okay, and that is actually called spread. Okay, and in our case, the euro US dollar pair, which I have written in here, you can see there is a difference of about I think it's 1.9 or something. Let me see, 1.34309 and 9 and okay, yes, it's actually a 0.00019. okay, so that is the difference between these two prices. So that is called the spread, and that is actually the profit which the exchange company makes it for providing you the exchange services. Okay, so this was pretty much all about base and core currencies and bid and ask values. and I have also told you what is a spread. Okay, so now you understand what is a currency pair and what are the exchange rates and all those basic things which are associated with a currency pair. There are lots of more things which we will talk about in the next couple of videos. Okay, so thank you for watching my this video. I always get confused between bid and ask values, so never mind and have fun. Take care.